me, Kiani. Today's video, as promised, I'm back with my favorite units from 2017. And you know, I know it's coming in just a little bit late. So as long as I get this video up before you guys stop telling people Happy New Year, I'm right on time. So, in typical favorites fashion, grab your notepad and girl, and whatever you're drinking, and let's get into my favorite units of 2017. So I know somebody is going to ask, actually I know a lot of you are going to ask, you're going to come through my DM, you're actually going to come through my Snapchat, you're going to come through my Instagram, and you're going to say, Kiani, but you didn't talk about the unit you're wearing. Stay tuned. So make sure, if you have not already subscribed to my channel and you're brand new here, click that subscribe button. If you're old here and you've been rocking with me for a very long time and you don't quite get my notifications when these videos come up, resubscribe. If you are a Apple cell phone user, you're going to have to go in, sign in, click that notification button so you will know when I'm uploading a video. And I say all this in the first part of the video because, again, I upload videos several times a month, and I'm hearing a lot of you saying, girl, we thought you stopped doing YouTube. Now, girl, she might not do a YouTube video, but she will jump on a plane and get that makeup gig together, okay? So that's the only time that I'm not uploading a video, but 2018 is brand new. I still have tons and tons of products that I need to share with you. So yes, we're right here. If you have not been getting my notifications, click that subscribe button, click that notification button, and that's my spiel. Let's go ahead and get into these favorite units. Oh, what was I saying before I got on that tangent? Oh yeah. So this unit right here is one of my units that I purchased in 2018. So she will not be in this lineup. And again, you'll just have to stay tuned to see if she makes it to more videos, okay? As I look back over the units that this year on my Instagram story and on my Snapchat, I actually gave you guys a look, like a flashback view of 2017. And can I tell you that there were some units that I reviewed. There were some units that I reviewed that have gone into storage. There's some units that I've actually given to friends. And then I'm left with my pile here. I will say that I am missing one of my favorites, but she was retired a while back because I wore her out. That unit, let's go ahead and tell you, her name was Tabia. Tabia was gorgeous, okay? Super duper long, gave me all of that Mariah Carey-esque from, you know, circa 1990-ish, that butterfly honey type vibe, you know. And I also got a little bit of that Beyonce-esque when Beyonce wears that really, really long, wavy. Now, wait, she gave me that inspirated vibe. I said, all the wigs that I'm going to be sharing with you are synthetic units, so they are definitely, oh my God, I can't even say a half of the price. They are more affordable than you going to Starbucks once a week. Honey, you can have you a new unit, honey, and not even need a coffee, okay? So her name was Tabia. I was completely obsessed with her color, her luster, the length, the texture, the feel of her. She's going to be toward the lower end of my favorites from 2017, only because she was just big and wild. She was just big and wild. And I want to say that I received her from Tyson Beauty. She was pulled straight off the mannequin. I never really had a chance to experiment with her brand new, but I did come up with some ways to make her kind of wave a little bit more. So just by the sheer nature, I had to maintenance her a lot to wear her. She's going to fall in the bottom of my pile, but I definitely want to give her honorable mention. Next up, this unit right here. Can you see what's going on with her? And you know what? She didn't really have a name. She had more of a alias. This unit was reincarnated so many times. And I'll tell you what, I wore her a lot. And because I wore her a lot, she was so long that, honey, we gave her 3, 4, 5 lives. She might as well have been a cat by the time it was over. You can see that I had her twisted back. We wore her in a ponytail. That was her life. That was her last life. Her last almost farewell. It was her almost farewell. So you will see this beautiful, beautiful color is what I'm getting at though, you guys. Oh my God. I believe that I wore, yes, I wore this hair to Warner Brothers in Atlanta, August. So I started really playing with her a lot during the summer. She was beautifully long, and it was just that less than icy blonde that I really fell in love with. And then girl, we got into giving her a rooting, honey. I went ahead and rooted her, and you will see some glitter, because at those hair shows, girl, I will manipulate a wig and we will give her her 10th reincarnation, honey. Even after she's gone, she flatlined, girl, we'll bring her back. But she definitely was one of my favorite units. I do remember falling in love with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter with her, just because all of this gold that it gave me. And yeah, so she was definitely one of those favorites of 2017. The only unit that I purchased myself that was not a blonde was this beautiful unit right here. But she comes from the Bobbi Boss line. She's a premium synthetic wig, MLF 194. Oh, her name was Gabby. Gabby didn't get a whole lot of love, but just by the sheer fact that she was this beautiful red. I did do one video on her when I turned myself into a redhead just for Instagram, and I absolutely loved it. So I fell in love with her during Vlogmas, and I'm just obsessed with how red she is. I love the density of it. I love the lightness of it. I love that she was in that bob style. I was obsessed with the dark rooting. She hit around about right here on collarbone, so it wasn't like a super short bob that was going to make my face look even rounder. Just about the collarbone that gave me just enough, you know what I'm saying? So the color was banging, but just the style of it, like the locks were super big in 2017. Well, I don't think they ever got a style, but they really were super big in 2017. So I'm definitely having to put Gabby in my favorites of 2017. Next up, we have another unit from Bobbi Boss, and this unit was sent to me by divatress.com. I did a lot of collaborations with divatress.com in 2017, so big thanks to them, because they just always have those unique units that are very inexpensive. They look very realistic to me, and I'm going to say they're on trend, but they just look very realistic. I fell in love with this unit around Vlogmas. Again, this was the first unit that I had on during my Vlogmas, and you guys went nuts. The only thing about this unit, I kept wearing her without tweezing her just because I never could find the time to tweeze her. It was just so crazy around the holiday, but that didn't, you guys didn't seem to mind. You kept asking me where did I get it from. So I love that she had the 2 combs in the front. She also had the 1 comb in the back, and I just love how she flowed right down the middle. Like you had that nice little even swoop right there that kind of looked like you ran a curling iron through her. She had this nice little tapered ends here, like it wasn't very chunky. Like she really looked like somebody took their time and created this unit. So she is keep on kicking. I really just break through her just a little bit. I loved wearing this unit with like a ball cap or a beret. I was completely obsessed with that look, so you'll be seeing her more in 2018. Next up, you have Lindsey. Oh my God. I have to say that Lindsey became my favorite long wig of 2018. No, of 2017. Don't get ahead of yourself, Kiani. It's 27. You're in 2018, but you're talking about 2017. Don't get ahead of yourself. So Lindsey became my favorite long unit from 2017 because of this freaking coloring. She was platinum blonde with a dark root. The lace was that silk lace, and of course she still had those 2 combs in the front. Now Lindsey was designed as a side part, but as you can see, I love a good middle part. And honestly, I remember wearing Lindsey when I was in New York and New Jersey, and no offense to New Yorkers or Jerseyans, is that a word? Anyway, you get what I'm saying? Most people wouldn't even speak to me, but I had ladies that said, girl, I love your hair. Lindsey killed it, okay? She also got a little dose of IMAX LA in 2018, and as you can see, she does need to probably get a little bath, but she was just on it. Okay, so my favorite long unit of 2017 was Lindsey by Bobbi Boss, sent to me again by Beatrice.com. Next, I have 2 more units for you, and you guys should really already know what these units are, but I just showed you my favorite long unit from 2017, so there's a hint. Comment down below. Do you know what units I'm about to say? I'll give you time. I'm gonna give you time. Come on, come on, come on. Whereas your girl loves a good blonde unit, she loves a good middle part unit, and she really loves a long unit. Girls, meet Yara. Again, by Bobbi Boss. This unit was sent to me by Beatrice.com, and Yara in this platinum blonde, girl, obsessed with her. Completely and utterly obsessed with her. Yara was that beautiful fabric that was thick enough that I could get a flat iron on her, and I mean scissor her all the way back down to sleekness. This beautiful parting, this dark root, just the way she hit on the shoulders. I mean, I'm really particular if I'm going to wear a short unit, and especially straight. Like they need to do what they need to do. Yara was cut perfectly blunt, and my only problem with Yara is because she was synthetic, she tangled. And you know, so I would just walk around with my brush, and every now and again, honey, we just give her a nice little tug, and we'll be right back together. But Yara, I was completely obsessed with her, and again, she's needing a good little bath too. But just by the sheer fact that I could put my hands on Yara, you know you're gonna be seeing her again. Okay, Yara? Yara. And last up, my absolute favorite unit of 2017 had to be another alias, and this unit is called LF Pagan. Now I'm going to show you guys why. Pagan. This unit was sent to me by Tyson Beauty. I was traveling a lot when I received this unit, and I really didn't want to have to do a whole lot to my hair. I was having to do a lot of makeup. I was having to wear makeup a lot, like a lot. So we weren't going to be creating time to have to straighten out a wig or make sure the part was straight. Girl, ain't nobody got time for that. So LF Pagan actually got me through about 6 shows, you guys. 6, I kid you not. I was completely obsessed with her, and the beautiful wave just kind of fell nicely, and it was absolutely insane because I had people that would want to come by and put their hand in my head. Ladies would actually stop and say, "Who does your hair?" in every city I was in. So I knew that LF Pagan was something special, and just so you know, I do have her again in this color, and I also have her in a platinum blonde. So I have big plans for LF Pagan, and although she was my favorite for 2017, are you guys with me? Continue to follow my social media so you'll know which units are definitely going to be in the running for 2018. Now it's time for you guys to comment down below. Which unit did you miss from me in 2017? Are there some units that you've already seen that you would love for me to review? Comment down below. You guys know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. Again, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I have no idea what you're waiting on. Click that subscribe button, and better than that, click that notification to always be alert when I upload another video. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.